Hi guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Grindr account from your mobile device. If you have already created an account on Grindr application, then now you can log in using the email and upset a password that you have set while creating your account. Once you log into your account, you can access your account on a supported device and you will retain access to your data, account and chats. Also, you will be able to use the various features provided by the Grindr application. So, in order to log into your Grindr account, first go to the Grindr application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Once you're on the login page of Grindr, you can log in with your email address, phone number, or your existing Google account or your Facebook account. So make your choices accordingly. If you have created your account using your email or phone number, then you will have to enter your password that you have set while creating the account. So enter your email or phone number associated to the Grindr account, then enter your password. Once done, you can tap onto the login option here. And in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can go to the forget password option here and tap on it in order to reset your password. So once you have tapped onto the login option, you'll have successfully logged into your Grindr account on your mobile device. And if you ever want to log out of your Grindr account, go to the top left corner and tap onto the profile icon. Here at the bottom you can see the settings option available, tap on it. And once you land onto your settings page, scroll down to the bottom and you can see the logout option here. So if you ever want to log out of your account, you can tap on it in order to log out of your account. And this will it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.